This is a would you rather question. Would you rather have the hiccups for the rest of your life or always feel like you have to sneeze?
Hiccups.
Oh.
Hiccups.
Hiccup.
Yeah.
Hiccups.
You have that face all the
Yeah.
time.
There was a guy that lived with it nonstop for like 68 years. So it's doable. You can do it.
Yeah.
It's been proven. It's in the record book.
Super annoying both ways.
I'll do the hiccup.
I think hiccups.
Right.
Out of the two, hiccups is
At least it would
not as bad.
feel
Yeah.
like it was productive.
You always had to sneeze.
Yeah.
I mean,
I don't know.
like, especially if you're not actually sneezing, you're just feeling like you have to sneeze, so you don't get that satisfaction of actually sneezing, like that, you know, because everyone's had that
Like
like,
you're always right at the edge.
achoo, and you're like, thank you.
Either way, that would be so annoying.
That's definitely hiccups.
Yeah, I agree. Yeah.
Do you ever try to purposely like sneeze as loud as you can, just to get the
Sneeze as
full,
loud?
just to get everything out of it?
I have a runny nose.
No,
No.
that might just be me. I don't know.
I'm ill.
Don't you think we don't really know why we sneeze to begin with? I heard something they said something about like caveman days or something
Yeah.
to be able to like to walk into the sun and like you sneeze to like clear out whatever like mold might have been in from like a dark wet environment or something.
Yeah,
I don't like
I don't really know.
like you had to guess.
I just
either
do
way.
know they say if you do have a hard time sneezing, they say to look at light.
You kind of like you walk outside in like the
Also,
sun,
like,
you oftentimes you sneeze.
Touching the end of your nose because you have a lot of nerves there,
Mm-hmm.
so that helps too.
Is it really?
Yeah.
Now, for hiccups, I've read though they say if you have the hiccups, you're supposed to get someone to frighten you,
There's so
Get
many
someone to-
remedies.
make someone scare you. I don't know.
There's-
Yeah.
I
There's
don't
so
know
many
if that
remedies.
really works or not.
Like plug your ears, drink through a straw.
Yeah.
Do adults get hiccups? Like I've
Oh yeah, I've done
Yeah.
that sometimes. So yeah.
A lot less.
Like kids seem to get them once in a
Right,
while.
because they're underdeveloped.
Right.
But that's
That makes sense.
You
Yeah,
do.
yeah, the last time I had it. Karen gets them once in a while.
It happens.
It's just been a brown
Yeah.
DNA.
Now, when you do get
Weird
hiccups,
things.
have you ever had that thought in the back of your mind of like, man, are these ever going away? Like, do you ever get scared just a little bit? Do you ever get like,
No.
I don't
think
remember.
The odds are stacked against it never going away.
that's true, but you don't ever have that thought in your mind like, man, it could be like an hour, of nothing but hiccups.
I
It's
don't
like,
know if
man,
I've had hiccups for that long.
really?
Yeah.
Oh wow. Okay,
All right.
5
That is
minutes
a
of
question
annoyance.
today.
that's the question of the day.